So who am I speaking with?
Hi, I'm Derek Such. I'm a programmer with High Voltage Software.
You seem to have some pretty cool, awesome games here. What I want to know is, I've been hearing over and over, it goes, oh, if you got lots of great experience, we want you. We want senior level people. What if I have zero professional experience? What do I do?
Well, basically, you got to get something together. You got to create a game and you got to work with people. If you're a student with small little tech demos, I mean, that's great, but we want to see that you actually know what you're doing, that you've actually implemented it, and you can hit the ground running when you come in. Granted, there's going to be some ramp up time, but if you have something that we can play, that is the best thing. And it's not terribly difficult to do in today's age. You have XNA available to you. You have, I believe, you can get the Unity engine for free. And there's so many people out there who want to collaborate and create something fun just as a hobby. And we're in the age of the internet, so it's not hard to find people. And learning how to set up, a way that you all can collaborate and get each other's content or code. That's what we do at work every day. So if you understand how that process works, that's a plus.
So tell me probably the best example of a student coming into your organization. What did they show you? How did they work with a team having zero professional experience?
Well, honestly, the best, I would say, are the schools that enforce actually creating a game. And I know that's hard for a lot of people who don't go to those schools, but you can emulate what they do. And what they do is they work on a game for 1 or 2 years while they're there, and then they have this finished product that they worked with artists and other programmers. So basically, that's the best thing. Is you really gotta try working on something that you can actually physically show me. So that way, when you come in, you're familiar with the tools. You're familiar with working with other people, because if you work by yourself and you're opposed because you can't get your, no, this is my idea and I need this in. Well, that's not going to fly in the game industry. You need to work with everyone, and you need to understand how artists think about things differently than you, and how to either work together or convince them otherwise that you're doing it the way you want to.
So let's talk about specifics with how you've developed before. What, I guess, is the best way for, within the last year, what have you learned in the team building experience that's better your programming yourself? What have you done in the team experience that's made you a better programmer?
Just trying to work with people and trying to have them help me and me help them. So for instance, I work with a lot of artists, and artists aren't always technically savvy, and there might be something that they pound their head against the wall and it wastes a half hour every time they do it. And I go, I can do something that will help you out right here. And I write them a little script that does that thing for them and saves them all this time and effort. And so just, you'll scratch, I scratch your back, you'll scratch mine, and the team's happier, everyone keeps on task. It's just a better work environment when you work together. And same with programmers. You're going to be inside someone else's code all the time. Someone's going to be inside your code. You need to learn how to work together, not step on each other's toes, and work through the different ways that you want to approach things, because no one does it the same way.